Alexandros is here with me today. He came 11 months ago. He was on stage 4. All this area here was bald. I will show you pictures with the hair combed backwards that show that it was quite a large area that was bald or very thin. So we proceed to a 1 day 2,500 grafts. You see, this is super dense packing with a density above 40 per square centimeter. Now let's see what we got after. This is what we got after 11 months. All this hair is new hair. He likes it long, so it's even more even denser. It looks even denser with longer hair. Come closer and see. All this is new hair from one hair transplant.